The wind howled, it rattled the old windows in their frames, I pulled the covers tighter, I shivered, it wasn't just the wind, there was another sound, a scraping, a low guttural sound, like something heavy dragging across the floorboards below. I listened, my heart hammered against my ribs, the scraping stopped. Silence, then it started again, closer this time, it seemed to be coming from the hallway. I froze, fear gripped me, I didn't want to move. I didn't want to know what was making that noise, but curiosity, a terrible thing, won. Slowly, very slowly, I reached for the lamp beside my bed. My hand trembled, I fumbled with the switch. The light flickered on, the room was suddenly bright, the hallway was empty. I breathed a sigh of relief, it was just my imagination, it had to be. I got out of bed, I crept towards the hallway, I peered into the darkness. Nothing. But then I saw it, a dark stain. It was spreading across the polished floor, a deep crimson stain, it pulsed slightly, it felt warm to the touch. I gasped, it wasn't paint, it wasn't blood, at least not human blood. It was darker, richer, it had a strange, oily sheen. I stumbled back, my legs felt weak, I needed to get out, I ran to the door, I unlocked it and flung it open. The wind rushed in, I ran into the night, I didn't look back. I haven't been back since, the house is still there. The real estate agent says it's a charming fixer-upper, they haven't mentioned the stain, they haven't mentioned the scraping. I still hear it sometimes, in my dreams, a low guttural scraping, it's getting closer. The police have been unhelpful, they suspect a prank or a wild animal, but I know it was something else, something far more sinister, something I don't want to ever encounter again, something I cannot explain. The stain, the sounds, they haunt my waking hours, they haunt my dreams.